back. In this video, we're going to learn how we can use group by transformation in Power Query Editor. I have a sample superstore Excel file which we are using for our transformations. I have various columns here. I have a region column, category column, subcategory, as well as the sales quantity, discount, profit. Okay, so I'm gonna consider a region column and then the sales column. So what my users ask was, he just wants to see the consolidated sales value for each region. So if you see, I have four regions here: Central, East, South, and West. So what's the contribution of each region in the sales is what the KPI he just wants to see. Okay, let's see how we can do it. I'm going to my Power Query Editor. Let's fetch the Excel file first, which is sample superstore data. I'll again go ahead with the orders sheet, which will load the data into Power Query Editor. So data has been loaded. Let's check whether we have the region column. Yes. And the sales column. Yes. So now what I'm gonna do is, I don't want to disturb the actual orders table. Instead, I'll just duplicate the orders sheet and I'll just rename it as consolidated sales by region. Okay, so now I'll just go to the column by which I'm gonna perform the group by aggregation. Okay, so I just selected the region column, and as you can see here, we have a group by option on the top home ribbon pane. So I'm gonna use it. If you just click on it, we'll get a dialog box. As you can see here, I have selected region column, and that's the same column it is showing. Means by using what column you want to perform this group by transformation is what it is asking us. Okay, so I have selected the region column, and the column name you just need to give sales by region. Okay, so now the operation I'm gonna perform is sum. As you can see in the drop down, there are multiple aggregations: sum, average, median, min, max, etc. So you just need to select what operation you just want to perform on the values column. Okay, so the values column I'm gonna use is the sales one. Okay, so what we are saying to it is, you just need to group by using region column. The column name is sales by region. The operation you just need to perform is the sum. On what column you just need to perform this operation is sales column. Okay, I'm just clicking on OK. See what it gives you. So it's removed everything and gave you only the consolidated data by region. So this is what I was expecting. We have the sales for each region so that we can create a simple chat using this. Okay, so this is how we can use group by option to consolidate the data. Now I'm just close and apply this data, and we'll try to represent this data into a suitable visual. Data has been loaded. So now I'll just try to take the pie chart because it depicts the data as we expect. I'm just taking region in the legend and sales by region in the values. So it went into details. Let's move this to values. Okay, now you can see. So user will easily understand what's the contribution of each region in its sales. So if you see, it's displaying the count of sales by region, but that should not be the case. Let's see the aggregation. Yeah, it is actually counting it. It should sum it. Okay. So now 501.24K is the sales for central region, and for south it's 391.72K. So you can see the percentage split across all the four regions, which would be equivalent to 100 percentage. Okay. So by just looking at this graph, user will get to know that what's the contribution of each region in its sales. Okay. That's all for this video.